Hi, Mary Beth with the Bruce Company here. We just talked a little bit about covers in my last video, and today I want to talk about some winterizing techniques that are really important to keep in mind when you're protecting your furniture. This is a really good time to give your furniture a really good cleaning before you cover it for the winter time. We don't want to leave anything that's organic on the cushions or within the fabric of the cushions, on your wicker, on the metal, because those things can cause damage in the long run. You might get mold or rust growing. We don't want that to happen. So give your furniture a good look over. If it needs any cleaning, spot cleaning, a lot of times just regular dish soap and warm water and using a sponge and a rag is all you need. For stubborn stains, I suggest using some of the cleaners we have that can help get rid of the mold and mildew. I also have fabric upholstery cleaner to get those spots out of there, because like your dry cleaning, you don't want to leave those things set in there, otherwise they're very hard to get out the next time you use it. So that's a really good technique. I'd suggest also giving a good brush down, get the spider webs off and the dust, maybe vacuum. Anything you want to wipe down, all that dirt that's sitting on there. Your aluminum furniture, and people don't think about this, you do not want water to accumulate in your aluminum or any of your metal furniture. So pop those end caps off, make sure you've drained all the water. And do not store them upside down, because water can find its way into the weep holes. If you get a freeze, you're going to have a burst on that metal. So take care of your investment. Come and see us at the Bruce Company if you need some assistance, and we can advise you.